Callie.
Aww, she wants one.
Callie. Callie. Come on, sweetie.
Aww.
And come here. You want something to eat? Yeah. She'll talk to me now. I mean, she's the only one. Come on, sweetie. My good girl? Yeah, you're my good girl. Is there something up here you want? Come on, sweetie. You want a snack? You want a snack, sweetie? Oh my God, that's the first time she's done that in a long fucking time now.
Yeah, give her some snacks.
She's a good girl. You hungry? You just don't like that. Oh. Okay, which one do you want? Party mix? Yeah.